Using keyboard shortcuts is a great way to increase your speed and productivity when using a computer. Here are some of the most important shortcut keys. Ctrl+C, copy selected text or object. Ctrl+X, cut selected text or object. Ctrl+V, paste copied or cut text or object. Ctrl+Z, undo the previous action. Ctrl+Y, redo the previously undone action. Ctrl+A, select all items on a page or in a document. Ctrl+F, find specific text on a page or in a document. Ctrl+S, save a document or file. Ctrl+N, open a new window or document. Ctrl+W, close the current window or document. Alt+Tab, switch between open windows. Windows key plus D, show desktop or minimize all windows. Windows key plus A, open File Explorer. Windows key plus L, lock your computer. Ctrl+Alt+Delete, open the Task Manager and other system options. Using these shortcut keys can help you work faster and more efficiently, saving you time and increasing your productivity. Subscribe my channel for more updates.